my channel, or if you haven't been here before, well, welcome. First of all, before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I upload a new videos. Let's start with this unboxing video. I think this is my 6th unboxing video. Okay, this is my first ever VIP box. Woohoo! If you subscribed to Birchbox for 6 months, then you're called a VIP Birchbox member. So this is why I got a big box today. I don't understand why it's big. Maybe they have something free inside. I don't know. Let's open. This is the August Birchbox. Oh, look at it! So the first thing that I'm gonna take from here is this pencil case looking holographic. I have no idea, and you can see that it says congratulations. Love this color. Like, how does Birchbox know that this is my thing? Like, is screaming Febzpassion. So inside there's a letter. Behind the letter it says Birchbox VIP. In here it says,
"Hi Birchboxer, hooray! You're officially in Birchbox VIP. To celebrate your 6th anniversary, we've added an extra treat to your box this month for you to enjoy. Plus, now that you've received 6 boxes in a row, you can enjoy a 50% VIP discount on everything in the Birchbox shop whenever you shop with us."
Team Birchbox. So that's the writing there. Thank you so much for this lovely makeup bag or pencil case. I'm not sure what it is, but it's probably a makeup bag, but I love the color. This is so me. So let's move on to the Birchbox box. That's all that's inside that big box. Wow, that was a lot of box used. Let's move on to the Birchbox. This is the Birchbox that I got this month. It's pink with some cute print. It reminds me of a watermelon. Let's open the box now because I can't wait and I'm itching to just open it. Oh, it says here, it is designed by Hannah Richard. What? Why does it say this? It says designed by Hannah Richards Design. What? They have the usual drawer looking box this month, and if you open it, this is all the stuff that's inside my box. I see something orange. Anyway, let's start with the orange one because that's what caught my eye first. Ooh, I received one of these before from first ever Birchbox. I received one of these and I loved it. It was my favorite one and I'm currently using it at the moment and I love it so much because it smells amazing. Like, I feel like I smell like a goddess after I use it. This is the Ritual Happy Buddha Foaming Shower Gel. Oh my gosh, now this is a Buddha shower gel. The first one that I got was a Sakura shower gel. Let's smell it. This has sweet orange and cedar wood. I have problems. I did not expect that to be that much. Oh god. I think I've squirted way too much than I should have squirted. It does smell like orange. It smells kind of manly. I would still use it. Oh my god, it's foaming up. Okay, the next product that I have here is this. And this is a number 4 sugar spray. A sugar texturizing spray helps transform limp, lackluster strands into loose waves of soft, velvety texture with a sweet blend of sugar and flexible styling aid. You can spray this onto a wet or damp hair. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but it's yellow inside. It's not coming out. Hold on. Is it giving it texture? I don't feel any texture. Ooh. Does make it feel like it's much more thicker than it should be. That's cool. The next one. Move on to the skincare. I love the packaging of this. When I first saw this, I was like, ah! It's pink. This is a Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Oh, it hydrates and adds glow to your skin. Nice. And it's great because this is vegan, cruelty free, and 98% natural. What you do with this is you remove all your makeup, tone your face, and then you apply this on your face and you leave it overnight. So I'm really excited to use this, so hopefully it doesn't break me out. Wow. Oh, it's very thick. It smells like one of those medical creams that my mom gave me when I had rashes. The next thing that we have in this video, in this box, not in this video, is this Dirty Little Secret Eyeshadow Crayon. Dirty Little Secret. No, I ruined it. I got some of the eyeshadow onto the lid. That's really annoying. When you shake it, you can hear like the crayon banging onto the packaging. Let's do a swatch. Oh, very smooth. Once you blend it out, there's nothing. You can't see it except for all the yellow shine. I mean, it's great as like an inner corner highlighter. Yeah, I think this would be handy to have. Cute enough. The last one that I have here is a very unusual product, and it is Can you see where it's made from? It's made from Korea. If you have been watching my videos, you would know that I love my Korean products. The brand is CLE Cosmetic, and this is a melting lip powder, long-lasting matte lip and cheek tint. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open this. Oh, it's a little... Oh, I'm scared that it's gonna like spill all over the place. Oh, wow, it didn't. Weird. In the bottle, it's powder, but as soon as you put it on your skin, it becomes liquid. This is so unusual. It smells like nail polish. It dries up so quickly. Feel like I'm putting on too much. Oh well, I don't care. I really love this product, guys. Oh man, it started to like melt some of the powders. Put on the glasses again because I can't see anything. Those are the products that I have in my Birchbox, including this one, and I am completely delighted. Thank you, Birchbox. That's it for today. Cold coffee. And don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video. Make sure to like this video so I know you like this video. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. I think I wasn't able to announce who the winner of my giveaway was. The winner is Julia Vargas, and congratulations, Julia Vargas, for winning the competition. The winners were chosen randomly. I've listed all the names and put it on this website. The website just picked some random name from my list. So congratulations, Julia Vargas, for winning.